finding ways to win. Not really happy with the way we played, especially in the first half. We really had problems with rebounding. They're a lot bigger team than we are. Plus, yun nga, nawala pa si Keith. Kailan still not available. And then, yun nga, we're trying to manage post minutes, no? Hindi namin siya masyadong pinupuwersa. So, kulang talaga kami sa bigs manpower namin. But we're struggling, but we're still here, no? We're finding ways to win. We played better defense in the last quarter. Okay? Then yung timely shots ni Anton, Mamu played a great game. Adrian played a great game. We had some problems containing Jason Perkins for a stretch. He was just heading his way in the middle because kulang kami sa malaki. Yung laki ng katawan ni Gabe, yun na lang pinaglalaban namin sa katawan ni Perkins. But paid off, and it's the character, it's the toughness. We're getting used to finding ways to win, but I would rather win yung medyo maluwag-luwag, hindi masyado nahihirapan. Again, the score does not reflect the closeness of the game. Look at the score, I think it's a double-digit lead, but it's a lot closer than that.
Thank you, Coach. At this point, we are opening the floor to the media.
Coach, congratulations. Coach, kasi yung injury ni Kate Lato nangyari while he's been playing well, so another setback for him. Hopefully not, pero medyo concerning yung injury niya.
Hindi ko pa alam exactly kung ano status niya, kung how serious the injury is, but he's already been having issues with his knees even before. Kaya focus namin to strengthen his lower body. So, nangyari pa ito ngayon. So, we'll see. We have to make an assessment of his injury, his health, and then mahirap kasi na pinamanage namin minutes ni Bo, tapos si Keith nagka-problema ngayon, tapos si Kayla na-injured din. Baka kung guardia na lang nilaro namin pagka ganun. So, we'll just have to find ways, but it's a good thing ngayon nangyari. We're going to have time to figure something out in the next few weeks.
For the second straight game, we say ka dun sa panalo nyo this time sa fourth quarter with some big shots to help bring the shine pull away and eventually got the picture. Talks mo doon
Yun nga, siguro just thankful lang din na binibigyan ako ni Coach Shane ng opportunity to be there during crunch time. And yeah, just trying to make the right place.
Yung bang ginawa mo against Titan 4 free throws mo coming to this game, dala-dala mo yung confidence, yung momentum from that heroics yan?
Yeah, of course, anytime you big free throws like that, syempre you wanna ride yung momentum and yung confidence na dala nung result niya. So yeah, definitely.
Coach, ano lang yung mga talent natin sa mga players na nasa injuries?
Actually, gusto na namin gamitin Si Kayla medyo okay na. We have a game on Friday. Saturday. I think he's going to be a game day decision. Si Kayla, we'll see him in practice tomorrow. Ano yung situation niya. Si Stanley naman, he's okay but he's still feeling some pain, so I don't want to use him with that pain there. So, kailangan lang na magpasensya pa ng konti, maghintay pa kami ng konti. Kasi ang pinaghahandaan talaga namin, yung last 3 or 4 games namin, medyo yun ang mabibigat na kalaban namin. And then we have a 2 or 3 gap in between games. So that's really the time we'll try to make use of that to get everybody healthy.
Luis pa.
Si Luis 2030 siguro rin.
Coach, on top kayo sa standings, solo din at this point, pero we have the next 6 games are against teams na good din, nasa either top 1 sa inyo or nasa gitna. So, bigat yung schedule.
Yes, mabigat. No, kaya nga sabi ko, that 2 or 3 week gap in between our games is going to be big for us because we're going to try get everybody on a reset, get fresh. Yun nga, with Kaylan, I'm confident na the next few days will be ready. Si Stanley kasi yung pain yung, I don't wanna play him with pain. Pero structurally okay naman yung niya, yung tuhod niya. Siguro yun lang. Siguro the other good news is yung si Christian Manayta is already practicing with us. The other league na maaga silang nainig. So he's already practicing with us. But I don't think he's going to be ready because he still needs to blend in and know the system and just be able to understand the situation better. So yun din, we'll try to also make an assessment of how we can make a contribution in the next few weeks.